excited about the Dublin to Dundalk, but just nervous because of first day, first big tour, first, thing like that. And the scenery is just awesome. The greenery, oh my God, where I come from, there's no greenery, right? It's desert, it's brown. This place, I swear to God, all the smells, it smells like a salad to me when I ride along. It's just amazing, the greenery. We were discussing how many breeds of cattle we saw along the way. Yeah, the second quiz for the second day was name the breeds of sheep that you saw all during the day. And the guys weren't as good as that. I beat them on that one. But when I got the TDA route and I saw that we were going by the Falkirk Wheel, I told Karen, we got to go see this thing because it is just an amazing piece of engineering, and what it achieved with the different canal levels was just awesome. The Union Canal is higher than the Fork, so what they did was they designed this Falkirk Wheel to actually take a boat from the bottom and a boat from the top and rotate them with not a lot of energy. It doesn't take them much energy because they're using the weight of the water and the weight of the ships to balance it and rotate it around so that the ships stay level, and then they can scoot out the other direction.